What's up, guys? This is AK with DCC Train LLC model train store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Some of you calling me crazy Russian, which is absolutely fine. And today we continue on our live channel. I will do this. No. Turn the mic. Turn the speaker off. Yeah. Don't need a feedback or anything. Continue with that conversion of Southern Pacific engine. We have two cameras, and we're going pretty much super detailed on every single step. I'll try my best, okay? But major thing, I'm starting with the lights. That's the crucial. So from my understanding, and you probably see it in a previous video, there is an issue for me. The LEDs sunny white, which is absolutely bright, kind of the new type of the, I just cannot remember the word right now. It's the modern stuff, right? It's not LEDs, of course, but it's okay, it will come up as usual. So I have two things. I am very positive the LED here in the back in the tender is the same thing, white, sunny white. I'm going to test it actually, just in case. But just looking at it, it tells me it's not sunny white. You can do two different ways. I will put because I don't know who makes that LEDs. We're using TCS. They're very good, like they're extremely good, and golden and sunny white. What I'm going to do, I'm just connecting my testing wires. Very simple setup. As I told you before, we're on the programming mode. Yes, I bet you it's a sunny white. So get my, I just clip my finger. So we use there we go. I'm not expecting it. The channel has only like 25 subscribers. This wasn't announced, and of course, sorry about that. I just have time today. I need to complete that engine yesterday. So, ta-da! Here we go. And that's the reason, as I told you, it will be just probably mostly in the evening broadcast, but today is the day. Here we go. Ta-da! Yes. See? It's like extremely good quality. It's more like, has a little bit, to see the whole spectrum, you just need to kind of, close your eyes almost to the lashes, and that's kind of smeared all those, I don't know how to explain. You will see like better color. Yeah, it's shiny, bright, it's great, but no. I'll try to not ruin that LED, and I'm going to reuse it, okay? So for that purpose, I need a little bit more of the flux. Okay, done with, yeah, I don't want to, okay. So as you remember, now I have two soldering guns but for that purpose, I will use the big one because I need a little bit higher temperature to kind of blast, sorry about that, blast Right. Turning it on. That safety is very good, you know, you're not messing around with the safety on that. My main digital, they both digital, but the biggest soldering gun station. Yeah, the nice part too, it's at 500 right now. That should do it. I need to use it a little bit. See the LED blue? That's on. As soon as I put it on that handle thing, it will be off. So a couple of things you can do. You can just get from one side and get from the other side, slide it and hit, but you need like very sturdy, the camera will be probably moving, sorry about that. That's what we'll try to do. Yeah, I want to keep LED if I can. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. Depends what's the solder they use, you know, also. Yeah, I should probably get a little bit more temperature. The LED should be fine. Should be fine. A little bit more solder to get a little bit more temp. Yeah, this is new soldering gun to me, so bear with me, guys. There is the soldering tools and stuff, but this is old school, you know. Huh. Very tough today. Yeah, here we go. Done. It's interesting manufacture of that LED. No, it didn't survive. Oh well. Yeah, I should get more temperature from the beginning. It's very hard to keep them in not destroy them. This is pretty much one-time deal. When you solder it, or you can do, again, I don't really care. We have tons of them. When you this soldering some microchips, yeah, you might ruin them, but you need a clear to the important stuff. You're not gonna ruin those pads. That's what needs to be done properly. Okay, so I have excuse me, I have one. Sometimes I'm working when I'm staying, sometimes I'm just sitting. Let's get process quicker. Definitely use different wires. I'm going actually to use color. Yes. Okay. Small guy. There you go. And this is my wire for the rest of the installation. We'll go over it real quick. So, message. There's plenty of go 520. That's good. Yeah, theoretically you can clean those pads with a brush, but if you don't have a lot of experience, I'm okay, so I just can use this LED, and it's golden, I know. Sometimes I'm using like thicker a little bit thicker thicker paste, so it's kind of preset, you know, but I'm fine with this. So we are 530, that should do it. Oh, I know what's happened. I didn't raise the temperature. I didn't confirm, so I adjusted. But so one side is done. Get a little bit more solder. Here we go. And to just confirm that, I'll do it again. Done. Okay. Now, usually I'm testing everything with, no, I don't mind right now because the decoder will be here and I just solder it through the resistor, so I'm not going to use the wires at this point. So let's get started with lights in the boiler. Oh, it's not tight. It's a problem. We don't need any vibration and stuff. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's pickup, another pickup. Here is two pickups, different color, so make sure all good. You can colorize them with like red and black according to NMRA. No, I wouldn't say. Yeah, it's probably in an NMRA standard, but yeah, pickup's good. That was good. Okay, lights in the boiler. Ta-da! You will see some wires. Okay, so talking about wires, that's what I'm using for years, for my goodness, for a long time. I used some German manufacturer wires, then I got here, I moved in 2001. I described Miniatronics. That's what I'm using for everything pretty much. It's expensive, but it's super good wire. Reliable, meaning it's not oxidized like some cheap junk, you know. Just no problem at all. You have like small baggie for, not baggy, small boxes, you know, for you know, small junk stuff, you know. Keeping those bags just in case, you know, you can put the stuff. And right, those are, I'm going to use those TCS 3mm sunny white. That's what we're doing. But before, actually, I want to test that, where is it? Yes, I just want to test it, okay? I'm not going to change to check the polarity, okay? It's okay, I can put that guy here. But I definitely want to test it. That's what I thought to do. So, what you need, only one resistor, which is here. Okay, and very careful. You can, I'm okay with this because has, actually you can clean a little bit with, but that's okay. I have some minimum flux on it. Okay, probably you guys not gonna see it, but we'll try. Yeah, why not just to solder like very two short wires? Because every time, yeah, let's not do it. Just test it like that. You don't want to extra. Yeah, let's do this if you can see. Yeah, you probably can see it. So be careful. Yeah, I need to get the power because I am on a program track, and here we go. See, sunny white, golden white. Very nice, and that will match our 3 millimeters golden LEDs. Here we go. So we need 2 for front, the rest LEDs already installed. And by the way, I need 1 to replace on that board for in the cap. Okay, here we go. That's how our golden will look like. Probably not see like really golden, but it's nice and golden. When I lower the volume, voltage a little bit, because I can adjust it, I'm using, that was dilemma a couple of times, so I changed my mind. I'm using ESU right now, so let's power it off. ESU decoder, select. Yeah, select, just on wires like this. Okay. Well, I'll probably do those LEDs and we'll go do something else. Main thing, right, so that guy inside of it with 2 wires, and again, the color is completely, so don't be confused, maybe need, definitely, yes, first, the wire is colorful. The color, they have the color whites, wires, white and yellow, sorry. I really definitely wanted to change it just because for better looking. Smaller Phillips. Or another alternative, you can use, that's why I almost forget to tell you. But I'll tell you in a second. You can use acrylic stained glass for stained glass projects, okay? That is very nice. You just put a little bit. It's more kind of yellowish, but it turns those LEDs very nice. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not gonna mess with this. I'll desolder those wires, connect my black wires, because it will be hard to get them out through that small hole. Oh yeah, because we have some interior, we have some engineers. Oops, I already missed one. Yeah, take it out, no problem. I can trace it, not big deal. Okay. The resistor already built in. Here, there is no resistor here, okay? So we find, see the resistor, because they use their own stuff. Let me see. Yeah, it's see what's a resistor measuring. Ooh, seriously? No way. Wow. It's reading almost short. Okay. That's crazy. Yeah, this is not really something, this is something else. Huh, no kidding. So, you know, I'm not going to take a risk of anything. I just put small wire here. 500 should do it. 530 here. There we go. We'll do 530. Yeah, since I'm... you can grab that other wire or grab the board, but again, if you're doing it for living or something, yeah, you know what to do. We probably can do some classes here too. So I definitely want to get rid of it. Just unusual. Huh. Okay. All right. Oh, I didn't prepare the other LED. Hold on, guys. We're good. Find it quick. I think I just messed up with the package. It looks like golden to me, but it says sunny white. Yeah, I think I just put the wrong one. It's okay. But I'll test it before, so small. Looks like, yeah, looks like golden, man. Seriously. Yeah, I think I just messed up putting in the wrong package. Now those days you can see what's the color. Or maybe I'm wrong. They're almost the same. The previous run of TCS, they look alike. Seriously. Oh, let's test it again. Same thing. Oops. Turn my power. Okay, it's golden. No questions. Yeah, you can see now which is golden, which is sunny. They definitely look a little bit different. Now, this time I'm going to save it. Yeah, the reason I didn't raise the temperature, and it's kind of just not enough temperature, you need kind of set it. Here I go. Let's go 550. A little more solder. Here we go. I got this one, I think. Yep. Got this guy. Save, I think. Just a little bit extra solder. Let's try to test it. Should be good. Yeah, sorry, I didn't raise the temperature. You need a little bit hot. Go hot. Oh yeah, no power. Keep hitting that lens. Yes, see, it survived. Perfect. I like that LED a lot. Yeah, so save it. But again, this is definitely sunny white, and I'll put it in this, and it's without really that package, hard to see, so staple it here, and I will write it here. It's one regular one. Okay, same idea. I don't care about polarity right now. Here, I will just cut the small leg of the LED. Okay, in Russian it's called перемычка, just like that. So I solder one side, because I'm going to cut legs anyway. And that temperature should be good. Okay, done. Then I'm using a little bit different pliers, so they cutting from like the beginning of the. If you guys, sorry if I was a little bit off. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff going on here. Stuff like that. Just cut it. Oh. The nice, nice, almost, yeah, should hold the leg, so yeah. Not biggie, I'll find it. I have very clean area. Yeah, that's, oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, should just hold it. Okay, so we're not using that, that's too much lights. Usually I'm using light when I'm usually using my glasses, and with the extra, I have a kind of glasses with prescription, not special for, I'm not using still glasses, kind of weird for my age. But those glasses made specially more like magnified glasses with prescription, because my eyes are different. I just, yeah, I have like a trauma when I was a kid. Same thing. Putting a little bit. It really doesn't matter how it's maybe better keep it not really crooked or something. Okay, in this case, I can hold it. Okay, because it's just in the cab, on top of the roof, right? So you barely can. You need like go under layout, you know, and look. So, but I just prefer make it everything nice. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm using my glasses with the extra. Here we go. And just double check it here. Bam, done. So there is no resistor, which is I can put like small surface mount. I don't want to do it. It's more just more complexity, and we're going simple, very simple. So I have power already. We put leads here. I have resistor. Ta-da! See? Nice. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't know. Yeah, means it's very hard for me, guys, to schedule those broadcasts or whatever. Right now, I need it definitely, because that will trace from here to the tender, okay, to the special plug, because that will be engine now in one piece. Okay. So using my just the fingernails, I already cut them, but that's okay. I still haven't enough. I just cut it too much. Here we go, my flux. Tack. Done. You can do like conveyor type, prepare two, but if for two, I'm not worried about it. Like prepare all those steps for two wires, but no. For that type, just two wires. I'll just finish with one. Okay, see, the temperature is perfect. Everything's shiny. Let's get another camera. Show you right there. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Very nice. Okay. Go back to top. When you guys watching, tell me what camera you prefer. Sometimes I don't have really control in that software. Maybe I can put them in a loop and wait like 20 seconds, I don't know, like a minute and one. So I need to have at least that length, because the tender will be around here, right? Just upside down, right? So I'm going out of here to here and over the bottom of the boiler, but that's that long. And if it's a little bit longer, that's fine. I don't need like any making trouble for myself for extra wire. And sometimes I'm using the even smaller pieces for some перемычки, whatever. Cool. So let's get another piece. Looks good. Again, I don't care about polarity right now. I will test everything again before I'm soldering. Sometimes you can mark from the beginning. It's good. Usually I'm using different, in my diagram it's different length, or the different length of the clear copper. Okay. I'll show you sometimes later. Here we go. Got my solder already. Got my, I can put even here, not big deal. Yeah, done. Shiny. Good. So my point is, I have a diagram. I can cut it here. I can cut a little bit longer. I can take the insulation. So, and make like a diagram. I don't know where's my testing It's probably, oh, I know, but that's okay. I will test it right away before I'm going to put them on a plug. Okay, testing one more time with resistor, have power. My resistor is probably 680. I'm not worried about it right now. Here we go. Oh, golden, nice, very nice. 680, and I will definitely in ESU they have very good control of the output of the decoder output. Yeah, so no problem. Oops. Yeah, hard to, maybe you guys tired how many times I told you about my toolbox, but something I'm living here at the workbench at home, and I can, and I'm not bringing it to the shop, and it's like, man, oh man, I need that thing. Here we go. Yes. Who is manufacturer of that? Oh yeah, it's Wika actually. That was nice. So I have two different ones. This is maybe kind of El Cheapo, no brand. They made right now the cost of them, how many installation I did. Oh man. How much money I make of this? This probably just start bringing paid off. No, it probably pays off. But those kind of expensive. The reason those guys a little bit harder. No, just a little bit different feeling. Those guys has insulated grip. Yeah, for some reason. So not if you in very dry area and don't have the static. So that's how you're doing. You put two guys together, twist them. So now it's like one wire right now, okay? Twist them. If you I make a little bit mistake, I should twist them. I shouldn't twist them individually, but that's okay. For example, I just can't fix it real quick because I'm going to cut them anyway. For the size, right? That's lock them down. Yeah, small step, but oh no, do I need to take the, okay, you can do different ways. You can grab some stuff like this and pull them, see? Or still, I'm not seeing why I cannot just make better angle, and that's too much. We'll do a very easy way. See, put that guy here, grab it, okay, solder. Oh, for that purpose, better just keep this always in your practice when you're soldering. Keep that third, whatever it is, thing near you, okay? Because it's just like good practice, guys. Grab that wire, okay? And solder this guy. Sorry, it's against your view, but it just solder being done. Okay, see, that's what I'm saying. This is very handy tool. It's very nice, seriously. So if you have it, just keep it near you always, because it's so easy to use. Okay, trace these guys here. Bingo. Now, yeah, the black wires make big difference because the engine's so nicely detailed, and you can paint them, not big deal. If you have, guys, very like small layout and details, extremely important. Yeah, it's not big deal to paint those wires, of course. Okay, but we just, since I'm changing everything, it's easy to change wires. Live show. There you go. Yeah, also I have like Energizer, or yeah, I think it's Energizer. Very nice, like LED, group of LED means you can get at Home Depot or whatever. That's very nice. Also, even you're working at the bench, because it's like shoot precisely to your area, you know, and you can adjust it here on the special like adjustment part of that light. Yeah, okay. Now we'll try to light it up. So I need to turn those wires, and they go this way under the something around under the that cab. Okay, so don't need this. Can cut it. Probably might use those wires. Why not? Okay, and we'll test it again. So no surprises. Very nice insulation on those Miniatronics wires. So I can cut it so good at Miniatronics. No substitute. Okay, I don't want to forget, I need LEDs, LED, sorry, the resistor always. Ooh, sorry. Can you see this? We'll go like to side view. Okay. What about turning the lights off? Still tons of lights. It's okay. I need some light, not messing up with the so first my one leg and here. Oh, beautiful. I'll definitely need to lower the voltage, but that's good. So it will be just glowing. Yes, very nice. Okay, put lights back on. Sorry about that flash. Okay, good deal. The nice part of that soldering gun, it's so advanced. It's going to standby mode whatever I set it up, and just go to 520 here. I think I set it up for like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It's good. It's good. So I'm not worried. If I'm not in a hurry, but I don't want to wait for the just continue my soldering procedure. Yeah, definitely I need get those wires and cut them out and extend them. For number boards here, okay. Those wires insulation a little bit rough, but that's okay. So what you can do, you can keep the length. And actually what I'm going to do, yes, right now I'll show you how I'm tracking those guys down. So make them almost identical. Okay, strip them, right? And I can make diagram the length of it, so it will be that will be probably first wire. I'll write it down. Okay, that's gonna help you. That's how I'm doing. So I'm putting like insulation here and making this. Okay, so that's part is insulation, and I'm writing the description because next one will be a little bit longer and next one will be much longer. So I need one number board, 1, 2, 3, 4 different 5, 6 wires going out at least at this point. Okay, we already calculated, but it's okay. So that will be my cab light. Okay, or just KL. I'm sorry, CL. Where's the camera? Side camera. If this makes sense. Okay, insulation and open wires with the length like this. Okay, maybe too much lights, but that's the idea. So it's the short, that's my first shortcut. Okay, and I keep that diagram here. I don't think so I need it after where everything's done. Also, I can прозвонить, it's Russian, just using a tester in testing mode, right? To like with the sound to trace them down. Okay, it's engine very nice build, right? If you have just I have that magnifying glasses, I got it. It doesn't matter, so you just use it here. Okay, that's why I'm saying can a little bit go lower so your arm, hand actually, fingers kind of not holding it in the air, you're just holding them against the workbench. Okay, that technique helps you, I hope. Yeah, just like years. So I need pretty much the same length like this. Yeah, that should do it. So I'm definitely cutting 2 wires here. Okay. And using shrink tubing. Those wires looks like a little bit oxidized to me. You can put both at the same time. You can do one at a time. It's up to you. Really doesn't matter. But again, I'm taking my time to make very like 100%. Oh, that gun went bye-bye really big time. Yeah, we're going 520. It remembers the previous setting, of course. It's great. Okay, it should go to 500. Yeah, so that was too much. Actually, not bad for those wires. Usually I'm using special like a system, so it sucks the fumes, but it's okay. I strongly recommend to use it, but if I'm going to use it, guys, you will hear like a bunch of stuff. So I'm just like blowing some fume out of, or I have on the side, I have a fan. It's kind of just a fan, so it's blowing this way. So if you're soldering a lot, you definitely need it. Okay, done. Oh, no, it's kind of sharp. Yeah, insulation here is cheapy. El cheapo. It's kind of shrink. That's what I don't like. Miniatronics? Never. Yeah, there we go. That's 100%. Okay, then I'll put both shrink tubing and we're done. Shortcut. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, when you used to Miniatronics, good stuff. The other just regular wires or whatever, el cheapo they can find. That's okay. So my friend from Moscow, Vlad, I need to probably don't forget to put the link. So I'm using just like a hit from the gun. Okay. He has some very interesting gun. Has a like small fan and shooting like hot air to it. Or some people like using like lighter. No, not for me, guys. Too dangerous. Too really, really out of control. So that's what I'm doing. But if you're using like good shrink tubing, it will be just, you can't even touch it. Nothing's gonna happen. That's the purpose of good stuff. Okay, done. Okay, here we go. Keep those guys here because they both working. I'm not worried about like the color of those lights. They might be even. That's what I want to test actually. And here we go. Maybe there is here we go. Where is it? Small screwdriver. Hello. Always Oh, never mind. Maybe, I think I took it, I opened it, but I don't remember honestly. So we'll do it again. My point is maybe LED on them. And I don't care about polarity because I'm going to check it again. Oh yeah, those like resistors here too, or whatever it is. Seriously, I'm not sure what's the deal with this. Absolutely make no sense. Well, I'm not messing around with this. We'll do the same. No surprises. And definitely, I need to find which common here. So I need to be them on definitely in parallel. Okay. Okay, one out. Second. Done. Okay. I'm not sure how I like them or not. We'll do the same thing with the LED leg. Oh wow, one viewer. Yeah. Actually, let's move the thing here so you can see a little bit better. I'm not worried about any small parts on top, so it's all good. Good to go. We'll see how those LEDs actually looking. Maybe they're not looking bad, or maybe I just put. We'll see again. $5.30, no questions. Okay. With my old, yeah, the person probably scared away. Like who's doing LED? Who's doing model trains? It's like crazy. The reason I don't want to do it on main channel, guys, because that will be maybe crazy. That's the reason. Yeah, I can see unsubscription and like complaints. That's the reason we're here. So I'm getting some trolls, which is absolutely no problem. I like to have fun with them, but when they just starting chatting like crazy, like on my Russian channel, that's getting a little bit annoying. Okay, so we keep it low profile. Okay, one more time. Perfect. Yeah, I put these guys good. Okay. I prefer one LED. So later, I put resistors Let me see. Ah, that's how they did. The common is here. Okay, I just want to see how they look. But it's again, it's AC, and it may be not good testing result. Actually, I want to see them in the how the lights here. Yeah, so they should work. If I don't like them, well, we're going to get rid of them and use, oops, use, oh, this guy is not magnetized today. What's going on? The storm, electromagnetic storm or something? Huh? Here you go. You need like good magnetizer and demagnetizer, I guess, right? Okay, so 2 wires here. Again, not messing around. I'm not gonna turn the lights off, just do it like that. Here we go. Yes, that's kind of, that's what I don't like. Too white. Too white. Okay. Changing. Definitely changing. Not doing it right now. One thing, because those front guys, okay, they also with LEDs, and those guys like thermal screw, unless they, well, now correct me if I'm wrong, they might be red. If they red, the marker lights, or green, depends on directions, that's good call. That's what we're going to find out, so we need another try. If you might not see it, guys, that's okay. That's okay. And definitely extend those wires, no questions. Okay. Let's see. Oh, one person still not escaping from here. That's good. Hello. Boy, they white. They like super shiny white. It looks great. It looks great, but they white. So definitely. You understand. Привет, человек. Hello. We can speak Russian. We can. Я могу по-русски говорить, я могу по-английски, мне пофигу. Это лайв-канал, так что нормально. Mostly for English speaking, because yes, because I can do live on my. Я могу делать мой live на как его? Ну, на DCC Train LLC. Так что, братан. Now, what we need to figure out, they definitely glue that thing inside. And that looks like, to me, let's see, try to pull it out. Yes, that's absolutely, like in real guy, they have hatches, you know, to open that front piece. Yes. So it's made, okay, that's actually good. They made of like white metal, I think. Это будет хорошо тебе на английском, братан. Okay, so cool. Oh no. How they, now I got it. So what I need to do, unscrew it here, right? Take this guy out and definitely change those LEDs. Cool. Okay, so they put kind of rubber ring to sort of kind of hold those LEDs in place like that. Sorry, let's put different camera, guys. Top, we're going to top. Right. That makes sense. And actually we have LED here. I want a LED all the way up here, and those rubber guys mostly for like insulation, sort of kind of. Right. For insulation of the light. Yes. Something like that. Very good. So I can assemble everything here, throw them out, and done deal. Okay. Well, I have a couple of things to do. That's an idea. I think I'm going to finish right now. I will finish with broadcast. Okay, I will do it like out of broadcast, all that stuff. I'll show you all steps when I'm going to assemble. It just will be a little bit boring process for you guys. Okay, человек, братан, приходи еще. Я сейчас завязываю. So guys, thanks for coming. It's a very advanced installation. Literally, it's like 9 of the 10. Yeah, 8 or 9, depends. If you're not changing LED, it's not a big deal, but I really want to change everything to golden white LEDs. And I'm using TCS always now. I stopped experimenting with eBay. No, I saw the guy buying like, and just there's no consistency from the manufacturers. Every time you're getting something different. TCS actually taking care of that. Okay, thanks for coming, guys. I'll see you maybe later today. I don't want to promise you. Maybe on Monday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.